This is the guide to maintaining your mobile modular building. It's important to inspect your mobile modular building upon arrival to make sure you like the location, orientation, and overall setup. Replace the HVAC filters per the mobile modular specific requirements. See the service guide located inside your modular building. Ask about our air care program for regular servicing of your HVAC system and replacement of your filters. It's important to replace your HVAC filters at minimum every 3 months. Also, clean the coils as recommended by the service guide. It's important to keep the HVAC unit clear of obstruction. This will make sure you have proper intake. If the building is leased longer than 6 months, it is recommended that the customer reseals all doors, windows, and roof guard against potential leaks. Doormats are recommended to protect from the elements, which could lead to damage and future repair charges. Use chair mats to mitigate potential damages to the floor. Mobile Modular can ship chair mats and doormats directly to you for your convenience. Ideally, provide an awning or other cover at the door entry to minimize rain from entering the building. Keep the roof clear of debris and low-hanging tree branches. You should also keep the gutters clean and clear of obstructions. Do not overload the electrical circuits with appliances that do not have adequate amperage to support their utility load. This could damage the breakers or lead to a potential fire. Make sure the plumbing is installed correctly and has the necessary PSI. If needed, you can install a regulator. The minimum PSI is 45 and the maximum PSI is 100. Following these maintenance steps will minimize the potential damage and repair charges at the time of return. It will also help in providing a safe and productive working environment. Keeping the gutters and roof clear of obstructions minimizes the potential cause for leaks. And lastly, proper regular service of the HVAC components provide for a better indoor air quality for its occupants. Thank you for choosing Mobile Modular, and if you have any questions, please ask our team.